my name's Safi Sprocket, and this is ABR. Let's go. This one was completely my fault. So I've just arrived at ABR and the weather is ridiculously hot. You would not believe that we are in the Midlands of the UK because you would honestly think it's some sort of tropical island. It's so unbelievably scorching, but I'm so excited. I'm so incredibly excited. There are a lot of manufacturers. There's a lot of crazy bikes as well, which you know me, I'm always looking for a crazy bike to ride. But right now we're stood right outside Ragley Hall and look how phenomenal it is. It's definitely something. This year's ABR has been very generous with the weather. So behind me, we have a whole variety of shop stands, manufacturers. This is just field one of ABR, believe it or not. It is so much bigger this year. It is bigger than it has ever been. So we have Triumph over there doing test rides. We also have Suzuki. We have this massive stall, which is of course Royal Enfield, making a very big, grand impression, as they always do. But we also have a whole variety of shops behind them. So we have Roadskins, we have like Shad Luggage, we even have GoPro in the far corner doing a daily giveaway, which is really, really impressive. So you could win a camera if you go and get your name down on the list. We also have Kawasaki, and there's another field. So let's head over to field number 2 and we'll take another cheeky look at what else is there. So let's go. So right now we are walking through the Harley Davidson stand, and these guys have a lot of beefy bikes. They are the chunky tired kings of the road, as you'd expect from Harley Davidson. They are some beefy hogs, but they still look absolutely fantastic. The chrome is shining so much that I can actually barely see when I look at them. Exits to the left of me, motorbikes to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle of the field. So just by the gate of the entrance, we also have the TRF stand. So if that's something you are interested, if you do want to get a little bit more off-roady, you can of course pop over to the organisation. They have a lot of information for you to learn. They have a lot of leaflets and brochures, and you can also consider signing up, so check it out.
Sprocket girl? No.
Sprocket girl getting a wee bit closer.
Sprocket in my pocket.
Sprocket chick.
No, come on, you can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you.
Lady Sprocket.
No.
Safi?
Yeah.
That'd be Safi.
That'd be Safi then.
You just give it.
Safi the Sprocket. Thank you for saving me on that one.
So over here we have the BMW stand, and as you would expect, it is full of GS bikes in a whole variety of colours. This is definitely one that is next on my list to do a test ride. You guys have been asking for this for ages, and I just haven't got around to it yet. But don't worry, it is under my radar. It will be coming eventually to the channel. I haven't forgotten and I'm not ignoring, but it's probably not going to happen this weekend, I'm going to be honest, because this weekend it's all about. So here we have the Ducati stand, and there are a lot of people jumping on those multi-stradas. They are flying out the festival. People are super interested in them. Just behind me we obviously have KTM. Unfortunately, again, they are incredibly popular. Test ride's completely sold out. The moment that those were taking bookings, there was queues all the way the centre down of the festival. People were getting on those bikes and they were going to do it come rain, come shine. Now, just behind me, we also have another tent. In the evening last night, this was full of brand new live entertainment, completely different to last year. We do have 2 stages. So we have the main stage, which is very much your festival stage. You have your fireworks, your light displays, all that kind of jazz. And then over here, we had a secondary stage, which had a bit more of a alternative music going on, but it was still really fantastic. Now during the day, as with the other stage, it is full of live speakers. People are giving talks, basically promoting, you know, what they do. So currently in the back, we have Simon and Lisa on stage, who are doing a little bit of a talk, talking about their adventures, talking about what they do. And obviously, look at that crowd. Absolutely jam-packed, absolute huge popularity. What a pair, what an absolute pair. Now on the opposite side of the festival, we have what is known as the Magic Teapot. Now with the main stage, it tends to play kind of like your bassy, kind of like dance music. In the evening, we kind of have like your alternative performances. But this particular area is all about the folk music. So we have folk music, you have a live fire inside, and obviously you got a little bit of drinking. So let's go take a look. So this is the food area, and one of the best things about ABR is the whole variety of different kinds of food. You can pretty much find absolutely everything. You can go from gourmet burgers to pulled pork. We also have Thai, we have noodles, Asian, pizzas, even chicken nuggets if you're more inclined. Now behind me we have an absolutely huge beer tent. This beer tent is absolutely massive. Honestly, the camera doesn't do it justice. At the rear end we have the festival set up so you can see all the kind of lights and line shows, and come sundown when everybody comes off those trails, that whole place is going to be so full. Everyone comes in, they comes and grabs a beer, and it is just absolutely manic. Now, one of the most amazing things when it comes to the ABR festival is the location itself. It is so beautiful. And even if you weren't somebody who was into bikes, even if you weren't somebody who was into festival-based activities, there is no denying that this is one heck of a location. You're right next to this absolutely beautiful lake, tons of nature all around. Over this side we have the Ragley Hall, and it's so idyllic. And especially in the sunshine, when you just want to kick back, grab a drink, sit back and just kind of admire the view. And what a view it is. I love it. I love it so much. Now, opposite the lake, we have another taster activity, which is effectively you can come and try out motorcycle trials. It looks incredibly difficult. It's run by Perfect Inch Trials, and it looks a little bit scary, I'm going to be honest. It looks good. It looks good. If you're up for it, you should definitely check it out. So in the middle of the festival as well, we also have the Benelli stand, and on the other side of the Benelli stand, we also have Vogue. So again, there's lots and lots of bikes to be seen. Hello. I'm good. You can give us a wave if you want.
Hello.
Yeah, Sprocketeer.
It's Miss Sprocket.
It is Miss Sprocket. You can give us a wave if you want. Now, towards the back of the festival, we also have some absolutely amazing off-road test areas. So let's head over there now. Let's go. Naturally, in the heart of the festival is this gigantic, huge festival stage. And at night time, this entire area is completely filled with bikers who have come in off the trails. They're ready to just bask in the music in the sun, get a few bevies down them, and just really enjoy the music. Now, this thing glows at night time. We have lights, we have performances, and we have a lot of good times happening. When it comes to this area, this is very much the learning area hub of the entire festival. So over here we have the Phoenix trail riding learning area. So obviously we have a lot of instructors teaching people, looking for weaknesses in their riding. Up here we also have the Dave Thorpe area. We also have a lot of different kinds of groups. We have Honda as well, and there's even a KTM at the far back. This area is one of the most underrated areas. It's one that people usually miss, and it's one you really don't want to miss because the people running these sessions over in these fields have a lot of expertise and a lot of knowledge, and you really want to get stuck in because you're only going to be a better rider for it. So in the far corner of ABR, opposite Ragley Hall, we do have some axe throwing as well, which I am absolutely going to have a go on. So let's go jump in.
Good.
No! Come on! So just behind the axe throwing area, we also have an art exhibition, which is just full of some amazing photographs from people traveling on the road. I mean, take a look at just how fantastic these are. Absolutely amazing. Of course, if art isn't really your thing, you can come and take a rest in the beanbags, have a little bit of a break, get out of the sun. Or maybe you're a little bit sore from riding on the trails all day. It happens to all of us, you know, we go off-road, we get some achy muscles, and of course you can come over to the on-site massages as well. These are, of course, free for festival goers. So, you know, maybe you need a little bit of a break. It's definitely more of a chill out kind of space here. It's fantastic. And of course, opposite the massage, art, beanbag kind of area, we do have the merchandise tent where you can grab yourself a cheeky t-shirt, a little bit of a hoodie, maybe you want a mug. Maybe you left yours at home and you can't make a brew in the morning. Well, It's all there at the ABR merch tent. Now, as we make our way through the festival, we have, of course, the main speaker stage. Now, this is where they have most of their talks every year. You have world adventurers, industry experts. There's a whole lot going on, and it's really incredible. They have a fantastic lineup. It's just a whole plethora of knowledge right at your fingertips that you can come and listen to if you want to take a break, but you want a little bit more of an engaging break. There we have it, guys. That is my walk around video from the Adventure Bike Rider Festival. Now, by the time this goes online, obviously the festival is going to be over. However, I will drop a link in the description and you can get early bird tickets already. So until next time, ride safe, stay crazy. My name's Safi Sprocket, signing off.